Gakunyita ugeni muno mwiroreri witu twendete muno makiria wa Muthingi TV akiri muthenya wa mwambiririo hari kiumia ni tariki 25 mwaka wa 2023. Gakunyita ugeni muno makiria thiini wa Gikunjuro kia Mohoro ni njitagwo Muthoni wa Wambugu na nigetha ngogi gutamburukiria uria bururi wikaire no mbere ya maya mothe no wega ukumenyithia no ukiaraniria hamwe na ithui page tu ya Facebook ni @Muthingi TV, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter ro hamwe na TikTok guothe ni @Muthingi TV na no ukihudhira page yakwa nayo ni Muthoni wa Wambugu Nyarari. Fabiririe Gikunjuro mamwe ma maria twatinda tugikumathira na andiki aitu a mohoro. Na maya ni mamwe ma maria tukuhaririirie. Kanitha wa PCA kuma Kitengela kuheo ihinda ria thiku 60 ukorwo mathamite kuma magundaini uria makoretwo makigucaniria na kambuni ya EPZ gwa kahinda ka miaka kenda. Kanjo ya athuri a kanitha wa Anglican ni ya Kirinyaga kwendekithia thirikari kuhuthira njira ingi njeru cia kuhurana na unyui wa njohi njikirire mukana kuri mbeu njithi. Na kaunti ya Kiambu gutafania mashindano maikeka ria mbere ma mathako ma guthambira maria marakuruhania makiria ma mathukuru 15. Na ngũnyitia gĩnioro rĩngĩ na riboti ĩrĩa ratũigũrĩra Gikunjuro gitu kia mohoro maya mathaa mũgwanja kwĩhĩtithio mũnene ũrĩa akorirwo akĩhĩtithio rũcinĩ rwa mũthĩ na nigetha akorwo agĩtungata arĩ ta mũtongoria wa thitango cia mũingĩ gũkũ bũrũri na mũnene akorirwo akĩoya ithenya rĩa Nordin Haji ũrĩa wakorirwo wamũrirwo gũtungatĩra rũhonge-inĩ rũrũ rwa ũgacĩru arĩ ta mũnene wa na mũnene akoretwo agĩcagũrwo gatagatĩ ka andũ angĩ 15 na gũkorwo agĩtungata gwa kahinda ka mĩaka 8. Kwĩhĩtithio gwake thingira-inĩ wa iregi nĩ gũkorirwo gũkĩrũgamĩrĩrwo nĩ atongoria a ngathĩ citiganĩte gũkũ president wa gatano wa bũrũri wa Kenya William Samoei Ruto marũgamĩrĩire igongona.
I, Ranson Mulele Ngonga, do solemnly affirm that I will well and truly serve the people and the Republic of Kenya in the office of the Director of Public Prosecutions, that I will at all times and to the best of my knowledge and ability protect, administer, and defend this Constitution and exercise the constitutional functions entrusted to me with a view to upholding the dignity and the respect for the criminal justice system of Kenya.
Madam Chief Justice and President of the Supreme Court, Mr. Speaker, sir, and distinguished leaders present here, Bwana DPP. The oath you have taken today before God and man places an extraordinary burden of responsibility on your very able shoulders. It is a solemn commitment to serve with fidelity, to pursue justice without fear or favor, and to uphold the rule of law in every decision that you will be making. You assume office at a unique time in our nation's history. The people of Kenya are resolute in the need to realize accountability for those entrusted with public office at all levels of government and within all our arms. As a seasoned prosecutor, you are aware that in the past, some anti-graft actions were concocted to settle scores that had nothing to do with fighting corruption. Kenyans hope, and I hope, that under your tenure, the war on corruption will not be used to settle political scores, to target persons for their beliefs, or to pressure persons to abandon their rights and principles.
Na riboti ingi haha turarumanirira nayo hamwe na arikia mohoro ni ati mutongoria wa moho wa Azimio nigwite benda gukorwo akihuruka kuma utetini kahinda orogothe kumanagia na miteritana ria president gukorwo akimwira eherie utetini ona gukorwo agiikara haraihu amwe miaka yake no igithiete na kuria kinyagia agikoretwo akiuga acokererie kuria kwao Bondo indi miaka yake ni mithiu muno na Raila agagithie na mbere na guteaniria miario yo akauga we ndakuinuka indi aricemba gutigirira ni atungatira muingi wa bururi wa Kenya. Oho ni augite ati thutha wa miario iria thiete na mbere kunanirwo njung'wa gatagati ka mung'ethaniro ro hamwe na thirikari yarika ni agukorwo akiheana mwerekera wake na makiria ni gukorwo andu hima ya gukorwo magicoka mirurungano-ini ona kana makorwo magitigana nayo. Mutongoria uyu akiaria miario nona aumagaritio ni atongoria matiganite magavana ro hamwe na maseta na ripoti yo no turathie na mbere kuhangania nayo na andiki aitu a mohoro makirikia ni tugukorwo tugigutamburukiria thiini wa mohoro maitu mathaa 10 tukimwika ripoti gikuria kaunti ya Kirinyaga ni ati kanjo ya athuri a kanitha nio moikaine takama mwena wa Kirinyaga ni mendekithitie thirikari na nigetha gukorwo njeru cia gutigirira ni mahura njohi citekereirwo mukana guku bururi-ini makiuga ati kwaga guthii uguo njira iria cikoretwo ikihuthika ni ironeka citire na kiguni na aria magomeirwo ni njohi ona matirakorwo magiteithika. Maithira mbere na kuga ati gukinyaniria riu aria aingi magomeirwo ni njohi ici matire marakinyaniria gukorwo magiteithio na dawa ici cia aguthie na mbere na kuga ati guteithia aria magomeirwo ni urebi ni makiandikithiriria njohi no kinya ni guteithia amwe aria makoretwo marikite thiini wa unyui wa njohi ici oro hamwe na dawa cia kulevya.
Wakwa ndingiurio strategy ira turabuthira ya gukinyira anake maitu ti njira igukorwo 100% kumakinyira kana kumateithia niki tondu turoka tukera anake atiriri tigai kunywa njobi muthi mukabure mubira kana tigai kunywa njobi muthi mukarute mawira. However, alcoholism ni murimu
ni thirikari ni agereirwo twagĩrĩirwo kwambĩrĩria sublocation kuma sublocation andu marirwe ciana itwarwe angorwo ni rehabilitation ithithomithio tondu riu ni kamarateana kwina drugs nyingi muno cia kumate na riu twaga kumenyerera uguo gutego next year tutigo ya ciana singo tone kwenina marenina
aria addicted makoro mena program ya mwanya na matritwe ta patients kana arwaru mabewe programs ya kumarehabilitate kabora
na binya muno riu muru kinye miaka 7 uguo no njũria andũ thirikari ĩrekwo rĩu please menyererai nĩgetha ciana ihonokie mĩoyo yao matuĩke bũrũri ũgĩe na thayũ no kwaga ũguo mũgaceria andũ mĩaka yũkĩte mage
nĩ twagĩrĩirwo gũkorwo tũgĩka kĩndũ twĩta separation aria already matonyete thiini wa njobi iyo na magatuika addicted tukumeka atia tondu ndukubata mundu addicted anyuite miaka umwere riu tiga umundi no akuire.
Na tugithii na mbere ni ati kiama kia ethari ngui guku bururi-ini niruo ruikaine ni rukoretwo rukiruta kana ni rutite ndumiriri ya kubitukio kwa mitaratara mieru na nigetha gukorwo makini ngaiha iria ikoragwo igicungiririo ni thirikari kuoya migunda ona gukorwo makinengera aria makoragwo morite kuma matura-ini mao. Kiama giki kiugite ati kuri na mitaratara iria ikoretwo igikĩigwo na nigetha gukorwo makieheria macira marekani 1,000 kurumirwo kwa muda nao ni kurumirira ateti na airia gukorwo makĩingĩra mitaratara ino magitongoria mitaratara ĩyo rũhonge rũrũ makĩrĩ na ati kuma kaunti ya Naikuru ni maratigĩrĩra ati ethari ngũĩ othe ni makorwo magĩkuruhania ni wa migunda cia igicũngĩrĩrio kuma ithurano cia mwaka wa 2007 oro hamwe 2008 na rĩu ndĩrona ni uthondekete mitaratara ya ugai oro hamwe na ucenjia wa migunda katika mwaka wa 2010.
Ni mwadhiriwa wa 2007 wakati vita za ukabila zilianza, na kweli tumengojea kwa sababu tulikuwa tunaambiwa kwamba katika hii mwezi wa 9 na tutakuwa tumepelekwa katika mashamba yetu. Na tungesema ambao wako katika hiyo maofisi ambao wanatumizia wanashughulika maneno ya mashamba waweze kutushughulikia, na ili watupe na wakati tuende tujenge, na ili tujenge, tulime, tujenge manyumba, tufanye mambo ambayo ni maendeleo. Ni kwa sababu wakati huu ni wakati serikali inataka mambo ambayo inaendelea kwa haraka.
Kwa kabla mwaka huu, that is before December, waadhiriwa wa 2007 and 8 post-election violence watakuwa resettled, na cabinet minister wa Ministry of Land aliweza kupewa na president directives aweze fast track that process yetu kuwa resettled. Tunaomba serikali iweze kuzingatia, kuangalia kuwa kuna full implementation ya zile reforms za land, ili watu wetu wasije wakawa na shida katika siku za usoni. Miaka 10 na kitu hakuna kazi yoyote imekuwa ikiendelea. Tumekuwa kila mara tukijaribu kutafuta haki zetu katika mahakama, lakini ukweli ni kuwa zile National Land Commission ambayo ni ofisi ambayo inajisimamia independent, kama vile tunayo IEBC ambayo inajisimamia independent, kuna uregefu na upepetevu na alma kuingiliwa na wanasiasa, na haswa katika serikali zilizopita waliweza kuhakikisha kuwa National Land Commission haikuweza kuwajibika kuweza kuweka ile mikakati katika sehemu zile ambazo ni za county level, na ndipo tunaweza kuomba kuwa serikali iweze kutathmini, kuassess ilile jambo kiupya kupitia kwa waziri wa the Minister for Land, Housing and Urban Development wakati huu ambaye ni Mr. Zakaria, aweze kushirikiana na National Commission, waweze kuketi chini watathmini the reforms, ndio tuweze kupata faida ya National Land Commission ikiturejeshea mambo yetu kama inavyostahili.
Na tukimurika riboti gigi gucanio muthenya wa ira, na haha ni kurumirira igongona gukorwo rigitharara ria kanitha wa PCA gicigo-ini gia Kitengela, na ndurakiri undu wa kawaida muthenya wa ira ashirika magigithie kanitha, no ni kurumirira ndugamano eno na ni thutha wa igoti gukorwo makirugamia mugunda uria kana ni cira ukoretwo gikuruhania mugunda wa kanitha na haria hakitwo thukuru wa muthingi wa PCA, na gugakirikana kwina cira gatagati ga thukuru uyu uria wi mugunda-ini wa kanitha oro hamwe na kambuni imwe ya EPZA. Uhoro uyu ni urakorirwo ukirehe githagathago kuria ashirika 2,000 oro hamwe kuma kanitha icio makiria aciari 1,000 makiri na ciana thiini wa thukuru uyu wa kanitha, na kuringana na Reverend Thegu Mutahi uria urakorirwo agitongoria igongona riu ria mitha muthenya wa ira, no kumiriria arakorirwo agikiumiriria ashirika a kanitha ucio na gukiuga makona ihinda ria kunanira njung'wa na Export Processing Zone Authority niguo EPZA iguru rigie mugunda ucio.
Gũkũ nĩ PCA Kitengela, na twĩ gũkũ nĩ tondũ wa itua rĩratuirwo nĩ igoti rĩrĩa rĩroiga nĩ tũkũheo thikũ 60 tũthame. Itua rĩu nĩ rĩratũmakirie mũno tondũ kũndũ gũkũ nĩ tũikarĩte na tũgũikara nĩ twĩkĩte maũndũ manene mũno. Twĩna kanitha mũthaka twakĩte mĩaka mĩingĩ, twĩna cukuru mũnene mũno gũkũ, na cukuru wĩkaga wega ũteithĩtie ciana nyingĩ mũno, ona aciari cukuru ũyũ mũno. Kwĩ maũndũ maingĩ mega mekĩkaga gũkũ. Gũkũ itua rĩu nĩ rĩratũmakirie mũno, no rĩarĩkia gũtuo tũroiga igoti rĩgũtua cira nĩ tũrĩtĩaga. To nginya twĩtĩkanie na itua rĩu, no nĩ twatĩa itua rĩu, no tũkamenya atĩrĩ igoti rĩu tĩrĩo igoti rĩa mũico. Nĩ kũrĩ magoti mangĩ mangĩthio nĩgetha cira ũyũ ũhote kũrorwo ningĩ nĩ jaji angĩ. Kwa ihinda rĩu maũndũ macio nĩ tũkũrania. Ningĩ nĩ twĩona andũ nĩ magoti nĩ mahinyagĩrĩria andũ maranĩrie. Ũngĩkorwo nĩ mũhĩtanĩtie na mũndũ no mũikaranie thĩ mwaranĩrie, mũranie tũngĩnina ngũĩ ĩno atĩa tũtegũtwarana magoti-inĩ, tũtekũhũthĩra indo nyingĩ. Kwoguo ũndũ ũcio naguo tũrĩ naguo, no rĩu tondũ itua nĩ hĩndĩ rĩrokire, ona tũtirĩ rĩrĩa rĩandĩke tũtirĩ narĩo, thikũ 2-3 iroka nĩ tũgũkorwo twerana nĩ njĩra ĩrĩkũ tũkũgera. Nĩ ũndũ woguo tũngĩũria acirika a Kitengela mathiĩ moya atĩ kanitha ũyũ no wao.
Tukwamba gwikirio ro hanini, na nigetha ndarikia guthurima ni kongicokereria na nigetha tumurike gikunjuro gitu ikereka ria keri kuringana uria tukuhaririirie kuma kaunti citiganite otoria andiki a mohoro magithiite na mbere na gutuhaririria koguo ni thutha kahinda gatari kuraihu ndugathie uri mitambo giki ni gikunjuro kia mohoro ma Muthingi TV.
Gevidi ne muremi muramati na nie njoroge na hinde ciothe ngwiraga njukaga gugubundithia maindo megie no remi na taririkana turagubundithia uremi wa mbembe tugabundithia wigi wa ng'ombe wigi wa nguku wigi wa mburi na maundu mothe mahana uremi hinde ciothe ungikenda kuruta uremi kana kuruta wira wa uremi uria urakurehera mbeca ririkanaga gutire mundu ungi Kenya ng'ima ungigubundithia uremi tiga njoroge na umuthe ndirakwira umuthe ni hindi iria uguthomera na kumikana gibindi giki gigokaga kuri we o Jumamothi thaa 8 Jumamothi thaa 8 thiini wa Muthingi TV withomere wionere na uhige na uremi ririkanaga gibindi niki muremi muramati
nako kaguru karime gatihana kari muhu nake mumagari niyo nagira
tutaga wira wa kwendia hema migeka na ngonia kini wira ura ndiraga na guko na
nitutamburaga kio gitu na thabari itu miethere-ini
akai kunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV
nikio nitugicemanagia o kiumia tabarira-ini ya mwihang'iri turi na mwihang'iri witu agitutirithia thabari yake kinya hau akinyite
yandiko ni muthuri wiho andikitwo gibanda ki hare rugongo
ni o guku ceceni-ini ya Muthingi TV na nie Mwangi wa Murugi.
Nanga gucokeria ngatho nigetha tugithie na mbere na mohoro maitu na tukimurika riboti igi ni horo wigi atongoria a county ya Garissa nimokirire thirikari na gikundi gia kuhurana na ihoto cia muingi kia UNHRC na kiria moigite ati ni kirehithitie moko hari kana guthukia mitaratara iria gikoretwo kuo kuringana Chifu Kula Abdi Dekwo aikaria county no ni matigete mitaratara na gukorwo makiri na ihinda iruto mitaratara ya kugetera maria maturigiceirie andu uria ugukorwo ugitafanio ni ethari ngui a mwena uyu na gukorwo makirehe kana ukoretwo kirehe unangiki munene wa maria maturigiceirie.
Because here, as you know, Liboi is a borderline between Garissa, between Kenya and Somalia, and we are the gateway where the refugees come through. The refugees come through directly from Liboi, and they're hosted in the refugee camp. That's the depth. But we are not getting any benefit.
We came because of this huge, massive destruction. This is something unacceptable. We always knew that the refugees, of course, we are welcome to our midst. We knew that they were cutting trees for food, for their cooking requirements. But we never imagined that a day will come when they will cause such massive massive destruction.
They have done away and they completely finished the other trees. Now they have come to Acacia. And that's one of the most important tree we have across the county.
What we have witnessed here is catastrophic. We have around 94 donkey carts, all carrying live indigenous trees, mature trees that has been cut and is used for commercial purpose. It's very worrying. And all these donkey carts are from the refugee camps.
It's going on for some time now, and I'm glad that the governor and our area MP have taken action. I'll pass the message to the refugees. I'll also share the same with the UNHCR organs. This obviously cannot continue. Continued process that has really converted an otherwise green area into a desert. So soon, if we don't take an action, this will be a vast desert. Yeah, so this we cannot accept. As the camp manager of the refugee camps, I can take steps to ensure that we curtail the freedom of movement of the refugees into areas where they can cause such damage. Yeah.
Na aikari a Baragoi thini wa kaunti ya Samburu marina gitumi gya gukoma gikungwira na ni thutha wa gikundi kia USAID kugerera mufango wa huduma mashinani kumakinyiria utungata hakuhe nao na kuringana na Lesailola afitha murugamiriri wa maundu ma wendia thini wa gikundi giki maugite ati ni thutha wa kuona ati kaunti ino ndikinyagirwo ni motungata tamaya maita maria maigi na uhoro ni unyititwo baru ni mubunge wa kuma Samburu ya rugongo na niwe Eli Letipila akiuga ati muingi ni gukorwo kigunika na makiria ni ugunikite kumana na utungata uyu gukorwo ukimakinyira hakuhe nao.
Furaha sana siku ya leo kwa sababu tumefanya the first ever expo in Samburu North ambayo tumeleta services closer to people. Tukizunguka kwa vijiji zetu tukiweza kupeana services kwa vikundi, tumeona gap kubwa ni kuwa watu hawana information. Hawana information ya services zenye zinapeanwa, hawana information hata vile ya kuweza kuinquire juu ya hizo services. Na ndio maana tukaona tulete hizi huduma mashinani, watu wakuje kupata hizi service.
Tunaita huduma kifedha mashinani. Yani hapo nyuma tulifanya studies kadhaa na ikatueleza kuwa watu hapa Baragoi ama Samburu North hawana zile services za financial services ama huduma za kifedha. Tukaona tuwalete hawa watu wote ili wachumuike na wenzetu wa hapa Samburu North ili waweze kupata hizi huduma za kuregister na M-Pesa ili wapate watu wa mikopo wa register wapate mikopo ama NHIF services ama zile pin numbers ama za Kenya Revenue Authority.
Sana wamekuja, ukitembea kwa kila tent unaona kuna services zinapeanwa. Watu wanaweza kuregister NHIF, watu wana apply loans, watu wanauliza juu ya banks, watu wenye wanataka kuwa registered kama bank agents wanapata services, na tunafurahia sana kwa sababu tunajua impact ya hii expo itaweza kuwa felt baadaye.
Tumekuja kuleta huduma mashinani kwa watu wa Baragoi, being that Baragoi ni mbali sana na Maralal, mahali ambapo ofisi yetu iko. So majorly tumekuja kufanya registration ya new members wenye hawajakuwa registered. Alafu pia tumekuja kuwasaidia na kuwaelekeza jinsi ya kuchagua hospitali, jinsi ya kubadilisha hospitali, na pia wenye wangependa kuongeza maybe dependents wao kwa card, iwe ni mzee, iwe ni bibi, iwe ni kuweka watoto, hiyo pia tumekuja hapa kuwasaidia na kuwaelekeza.
Na kaunti ya Turukana nitanyitwo gukorwo gitafania gomano kia Senate mashinani muthi wa rucio na gavana wa kaunti eno ya Turukana Jeremiah Romokurai ni augite ati na ni ari na ihinda ria gucokeria ngatho ma senators othe ni gukorwo magigicagura kaunti eno na ningi gukorwo akiuga ati ni agukorwo akimanyitira na njira nene ona gutigirira ati ni akorwo akenyita baru kuhitukira thirikari ya county commissioner wa Turukana nake augite ati ugitari naguo ni ugukorwo kiongererwo na ikiro cia iguru kinyagia kuria senators aya mari karaga na kaunti ya Turukana niyo ya gatatu gukorwo gitafania mucemanio wa maseneta mashinani na ni kuma kuri kaunti ya Uasin Gishu mwaka-ini wa 2018 oro hamwe na Makueni thine wa mwaka wa 2019.
Kwa hivyo nafasi hii ningependa kuwakaribisha Turkana County. Kwamba Turkana County sisi tunapenda seneti yetu kwa sababu ya kazi nzuri wamefanya. Licha ya yale mambo yote yanaongewa kuhusu Turkana, mambo ya usalama, mambo ya umaskini, mambo ya kiangazi na mambo mengine, seneti wameamua kuja Turkana. Kwa hivyo na wakaribisha Turkana, wakuje waweke vikao vyao bila shida na wajisikie wako nyumbani. Na mimi kama mkubwa wa ugatuzi hapa Turkana, niko tayari kufanya kazi kila wakati. Wakati seneti wanatuhitaji sisi kama kaunti ya Turkana, tuko tayari pia kuanzia kesho kuwa na wao, na wajisikie na lazima watembelee sehemu mingi ya Turkana kuangalia hali ya maendeleo.
Sisi kama kamati ya kaunti ya usalama tunatoa hakikisho ya kwamba masuala ya usalama yamedhibitiwa kuanzia barabarani Kainuk huku kote pitia Kakong, Lokichar hadi Lodwa, maeneo yote ambayo wageni wetu watajisekiri, maeneo ya kazi County Assembly, maeneo yale kamati mbalimbali zitazuru.
Tuigire thiini wa mohoro maitu ma mathako kuria kiama kia muthako wa ngundi bururi-ini ni gitafanĩtie mathomo ma mathako maya na guku ni kaunti-ini ya Naikuru, na mathomo maya ni makeri thutha wa maria makorirwo magitafanio thiini wa kaunti ya Nairobi. Mathomo maya riu matanyitwo gukorwo makiagirithia muthako uyu guku bururi-ini. Hĩndĩ ĩyo ya muthako wa extreme combatant ni yamuritwo.
Hao ni warembo wetu na tunafaa kuwapeleka Uganda wakakamue watu huko. Tena tuleta kikombe kingine tupatie Madam Josephine. Hiyo ndio kazi yetu. Kazi yetu ni kuleta vikombe. Huyu ni mwanadada wetu unamuona hapo, anaitwa David. Pia aliibuka namba 1 pale Nairobi, anaweza kukuja na gold medal yake nyumbani.
Nayo kaunti ya Kiambu ni tafanĩtie macindano ma ikereka rĩa kerĩ rĩa mbere kaunti-inĩ ĩno, na nĩ macindano marĩa marũgamagĩrwo nĩ kambuni ya Safaricom kũgerera mũbango wa M-Pesa Foundation. Na mathako maya marĩa nĩ magũthambĩra marakuruhania cukuru makĩria ma mathukuru 15 na kũrĩa magũkorwo magĩgĩkuruhania ona kinyagia andũ arĩa makoragwo na mawathe.
That is group number 3. We are doing 200 meters.
To be the best swimmer in Kenya and in our school, so that I can show that public schools can do better than the other schools, and we can do good, because it's not that public schools can get everything that they need.
I balance them out. Swimming, basically, I study more. But then when I get my free time, I go swim, I go motivate, I go train myself. So basically I go to school the whole day, and then the next day, and then later on after school, my dad takes me to Aga Khan, and we train. So that's how I balance it. I do, but I study more than.
See what we're doing. We are planning on having all facilities, all sports facilities in our county. That is having good sports ground, that's the infrastructure, having good sports fields, having good swimming pools, having good tennis balls, those kind, and providing equipment. Second, on how we're going to incubate these challenges by providing them platform outside our country or outside our county, to go and compete, and also giving them exposure so that when they come back, they'll be at their best.
30 schools from across the country and clubs, and it has brought together over 500 participants. And most important, this is the first time we have had over 2,000 entries in our swimming gala. One of the purposes for this event is we are going to select a county team.
Na tukinikiriria gikunjuro gitu kia mohoro ni ati njorua ya mwaka wa 2022 ya muthako wa parkour niwe Noah Dorjina ni ahotete muthako uyu na gukorwa agikinyia bururi-ini kana guku bururi-ini orundumwe na nja ya bururi, kuona ati ni muthako ukoragwo ukirumirirwo ni andu aingi na aritie hindi ya mathomo matafanitio ni kambuni ya Red Bull Kenya guku agikorwo na mwihoko ati wa gukanyitanira thiini wa mathako-ini ma Olympic bururi-ini wa France.
If they keep training and keep growing the community, it's going to be awesome here too. Remember when I started, I was so excited and I just did everything, and I kind of get the same vibe here. They're like very excited to learn new stuff and try stuff. So yeah, it's definitely the same vibe. Competitions that I do, well, if they like right now, their tricks are perfectly good. They landed very good, so that's nice. But like with parkour, you need to combine everything. So you have to have flow, jumps, everything. So if they keep practicing more, definitely, and like they could also maybe get invited and stuff. But they just really need to practice. Like I practice for a long time now, and I also need to keep practicing, but definitely there's potential.
Called parkour, and parkour is all about overcoming obstacles. So you need physical strength and mental strength, and you can do it in a very efficient way, as if you're running from somebody, but you can also do it similar to gymnastics or skateboarding, where you get really creative and you come up with different tricks. For me, it's really hard to rate someone who does parkour because there's so many different styles. I think what Kenya did really well today was you guys really excel in the acrobatics. You guys have really, really strong flips, strong twist, a lot of power in the legs, and it's really nice to see some beautiful style in airtime today. I think the Kenya skill level is still a little bit young compared to other countries where the sport is a little bit more supported and a lot more people are doing it. But however, the good news is you don't need any expensive or special equipment or any crazy location to do parkour.
Gicokia ngatho ni nyitaniri waku au niho tugwikirira gaturumo gikunjiro gitu kia mohoro ni ngatho muno makiria Elijah Kimani wa Kandara urauga bikuria Murang'a mwina shushu wa Twana ni ngatho muno makiria Nick Mutito MC ukiuga wega ta wega thengio muno Tabi Blessed asanti ni gukorwo wi mitambo-ini gatwiri wa Watuka asanti sana urauga thengio muno Muthoni Pablo Moja kuma Ruiru ni ngatho muno makiria Peter Gicoco wa Kigumo Samidi Samist ari kuria Dagoretti arauga as usual ni ngatho muno makiria Ngugi wa Muricho mwenyewe asante sana ni gwikorwo muri mitambo-ini ngurikia na ndomereri ya Nick Mutito oro ringi ukauga wi kuria mwena wa Kitengela Humbled Host imwe kwa imwe ari kuria Amboseli asante sana na Pablo Moja ari Ruiru Jeff Blue thengio muno na Macho M asante sana ni gutwirorera thiini wa gikunjiro gitu kia mohoro muthenya wa muthi ari mwambiririo gacokeria mwiroreri wothe ngatho thengio muno producer wakwa ugwitwo Mwangi Job asante sana Murugi Job Mwangi asante sana ni gukorwo gigitabania gikunjiro kiu na andiki aitwa mohoro ona kinyagia director wito ugwitwo Nyaga asante sana Tabitha ona kinyagia Robert na mundu gwitwo Aizo inyuothe mwatu mundu uyu kinyanire ndo social media inyuothe haria muri na TX asante sana nitucemanie rucio thiini wa tafarira ya igaguriro cikihanda thaa imwe kinya thaa inya cia rucini tidai thayo thina mbere na gukenera tafarira citiganite ino ni session ya Muthingi TV kihumo gia gutherema na ni njitagwo Muthoni wa Wambugu Ngai ya murathime tidai thayo. Yani kwa mimi kwanza asubuhi